The Eiger is located in the Jungfrau region in Switzerland. We definitely earned our jump. It's not super technical, but you have a lot of exposure. If you want to jump off the Eiger, the mushroom is the main exit point, and it takes about a couple hours to reach it from the bottom train station.
Just made it to the mushroom on the Eiger. You can see the summit right above us, right here.
You start looking on the horizon, you're getting in the zone, and you give a count. 3, 2, 1, see ya.